hit, you switch leads, and you're kind of moving back and forth.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So now we're going, one comes all the way across, one on the left. So one right, one left, two right, two left, and you're back to open. So now it's 1, 1, 2, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2. And just get this 1, 1, 2, 2 happening. So you want to hit power, 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 power. A lot of times, if I'm right leg forward, when I go 1, 1, it's easier to step forward with the left or step out a bit with the left as you hit the 2 and then step back. So sometimes you got hit, you switch leads, and you're kind of moving back and forth.